Hello everyone, I am Garland Nathaniel from Leprosy Mission Trust India, and I am thankful to Cindy and Jane for this opportunity to share our experience while we administered this survey in 2019, that is Staff Engagement Survey. I want to share few challenges that we faced during administration of this survey. The first challenge was to make this form available in those languages which are in use by our staff members. We had this form in Bengali and English online, but to make this survey successful, we had to convert the content into those languages which are used by our staff members. That is Tamil, Telugu, Marathi and Hindi. These are the four key languages which our staff members use apart from Bengali and English. And another challenge was to make it available to every staff member at all our units, and those more than 900 staff members are working in more than 20 programs, and those programs include health care, education, field-based community projects, research, advocacy, and definitely administration includes finance and HR, and these people are spread at 10 different states in our country. So to make this survey successful, our job is to make these forms available to every staff at all the places, and then also to include those people who are not computer literate. So those forms were converted into hard copy format, and they were made available to those people who are not conversant in computers. And as per the business office uh, uh, instructions, they means that the work was done in a very systematic manner. Those who were conversant with computers, at time was allotted for each of the staff member to fill up this form in a computer, because computers are not available for everybody at units, and those people who were not conversant with computers, they were given isolation place and a time slot so that they can sit peacefully and fill up this form without influence of anyone. And after filling it up, nobody should know what is written there by the person who is filling up. So the hard copies were immediately sealed by the person who filled it up and then handed over to the business office. It was sent to us by post, that sealed envelope, and then it reached to country office at Delhi. And this is how it happened. So all our administrators at unit level, they did it dedicatedly, means very diligently they followed this process, and means encouraged everybody to spare time from their current work and then focus on this and complete this survey. And we at country office were constantly in touch with each unit head, administrator, business office head of each unit to know what is happening, and if there are any issues, we were resolving them by continuously talking over phone, through WhatsApp, and whatever way is possible. And then we were, along with this online survey punching which is being done by is unit people, those people who filled it up hard copies, they were sending us one by one by post. So we were just thinking, if it got delayed, what will happen by post, because we had a set deadline to complete the survey within a scheduled manner. So by the grace of God, everybody's post reached to us on time, and we were able to punch those information from Tamil, Telugu, Marathi and Hindi forms into English version available online, and we had to stay some time more in office, but we did our job on time. All praise to God for this. Regarding tips for doing this survey was that we followed it up thoroughly, without fail, continuously on hourly basis every day, through email, through phone call, and we made a dedicated group of our administrators at hospital only for this purpose, and we were exchanging information, getting feedback, how many staff members have filled up, how many pending, what are the issues, why they are not filling it up, what is the problem. We were counseling them, we were encouraging them, and we were constantly in touch with them, and they were giving us feedback, administrators, and it was done on time, and it was possible only because there was a continuous and very good coordination of country office with administrator at our hospitals. About the feedback, the end result was that all everybody's efforts bring to the result of 94% achievement rate, and it was made possible because our top leadership was very much clear since the beginning of the survey why we are doing this, what is the purpose, and everybody was positive and supportive that this will bring a good result to Leprosy Mission Trust India, and definitely to everybody, and it will help us in framing new policies, improving our systems. So everybody was very positive about this survey. So maximum people, they did give their best while during this survey. Tips for next time: if we do this kind of survey again, if we repeat the process of we do something else similar to this nature, then we would recommend to have this kind of survey forms or questionnaire available in mobile through an app, and which is easily downloadable, and which should not have much space. It should be easily available through Google Play Store or some other place, and those forms should be in a language which is spoken or read or used by the staff member who is supposed to fill up the form. So it will save our time in translation and then circulating it online and collecting it back also and then filling it online. So it will save time, it will be helpful. Thank you so much.